Hello, my name is David Charles Rowan. I'm a master practitioner and trainer of neuroholistic therapy, a synthesis of NLP, hypnotherapy, and a field called psychobiology, which incorporates affective neuroscience and interpersonal neurobiology. And while I'd be the first to agree that following a video technique is not a substitute for individual personalized therapy, it can be useful. And while it might not heal the whole issue, something that can make a complex situation, a challenging time, an anxious anticipation become easier and bring a bit of relief to the day can have a merit and a value all of its own. And welcome to this technique called Sounds Fantastic. First of all, I want you to identify for yourself something that you'd like to feel differently about. It could be something from the past, something in the present, something you're expecting or anticipating in the future, or even all three. Any combination of those, just something you'd like to feel differently about. That's right. You got it? Okay. So what I want you to do now is just imagine that out in front of you, a full-size projection screen, like a cinema screen, in full color with sound. And what I'd like you to do now is run a short movie of that thing you'd like to feel differently about, that circumstance, event, situation, proximity with a particular individual, whatever it is, and just run that now and watch it like watching a movie, and notice how you feel inside your body as you watch this now. It may be unpleasant, but it won't be for long. It's just so that you can. That's right. Okay, now stop that movie and rewind the movie to the beginning at light speed. That's it. Okay, now what I'd like you to do now is just imagine that you have certain controls here, right? And I want you to imagine you could turn down the volume all the way down so you hear it click silent. That's right. And now run that movie again, only this time as a silent movie. And just wait, play that now. Watch that now. What's it like as a silent movie? You may find it feels a little different. That's right. But there's more to change yet. So what I'd like you to do now is once again, at light speed, have that movie rewind all the way back to the beginning. And now something a bit special. Now I'd like you to imagine that you have a playlist or a jukebox in your mind, all the music you've ever heard in your whole lifespan, and all the sounds, sound of birds, sound of the sea, sound of laughter, sound of wrapping paper opening, sound of a crackling fire, all the sounds you've ever heard. And I'd like you to identify a particular sound or a piece of music or a song that carries the sort of emotion that you'd really like to be able to associate with the event that we're changing, that makes it become palatable, that makes it become easy, that makes it become resolved, that makes it become healed in such a way that it lifts you up and just makes you feel easy, better, elated even. Of all the pieces of music you've ever heard, all the songs, all the sounds you've ever heard in the world, find one, select one, identify one that makes you feel fantastic, strong, confident, brilliant. That's right. Since this is a design process, make it good. Really good. Allow yourself the luxury to indulge yourself in brilliance. That's right. Give yourself permission, not just for wellness, not just for survival, but to thrive, to grow, to blossom, to shine and be wonderful, fantastic. That's it. Yeah. Yes. Now you just pick one. It doesn't matter which one for the moment. Just select one, right? Mm-hmm. All right. Okay. Now, now you got it. That's it. What I want you to do now is in a moment, we're going to play that movie again with this new soundtrack. Okay? Last time it was in silence. This time you'll hear the sound you selected with that movie. Only this time you'll find that as it starts to play and you can hear the sound, rather than just watching it, you're going to jump inside the movie. Because you jumped inside the movie, some of your muscle will twitch. That's okay. It just means you're learning on a very deep level. Okay, so run that movie. Now, with that new sound, turn the sound up, make it big and bright and wonderful, and jump inside the movie. That's it. What's it like being there with that sound? How does it make your body feel? Where are the good vibes most strongly felt in your body now? How do they move through your body? What's it like? All right. And now, allow the screen to fade away. Allow the sound to fade. And as the sound fades, return to where you are in life, right now, here on this day. And I want you to imagine there's a piece of string on the end of your nose and it's going far out into your future. And I want you to see a version of yourself about a month from now, contemplating the thing that you wanted to change, either re-experiencing it or just thinking about it. And when that version of you a month from now considers this thing you wanted to change, what's it like? How does that 1 month further up ahead in time you experiencing it now? Mm-hmm. Now, imagine you can stretch that out to 6 months ahead in time. And how's that version of you responding to thoughts? That's right. Now. Cool. And now bounce that out a year from now. And how's that 1 year ahead future you? Handling and dealing and responding in relationship with that thing you wanted to change. What's it like now? Mm-hmm. Now, if you have a change to any degree, what I'd like you to do now is just imagine you can gently lift up and float up out of where you are, and float out and down and down and out and down, and have your feet settle down into the feet of that year ahead you. Feel how that body feels. Notice how you see the world. Be aware of the kind of things you say about being you there. Maybe even aware of the kind of things other people say. And what's it like? Your unconscious already knows. Everything in nature unfolds according to certain blueprints and patterns of design. Since your unconscious has presented you with this vision of your future, that means this is the direction you're heading in. This is the you you're becoming. And all you need to do to be that future you is simply allow your heart to beat and breathe in and out in sequence. Because that's where you're going. Isn't that wonderful? Change can sometimes be just a synapse away, even though that sounds fantastic. Thank you for your time here with me today. An honor to assist you.